Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. I am off today and I've been relaxing all day today, but I did go get my nails did and my toes did. I'm trying a different color. I took my son to therapy today and that was about it. So now I'm gonna come home and do some mommy duty since I've been, relaxing most of the day. So we're gonna tackle this dirty refrigerator. Guys, as you can see, the refrigerator is back cluttered. It's back cluttered. It's back dirty. It's got stuff everywhere. And the freezer. Look at the freezer. The kids been putting soda in the freezer, letting it explode. And yeah, I'm zooming in on it. This is the real deal. This is how this freezer looks until I clean it out. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna record the real deal. Let y'all see the before and after. Normally it'd be, pretty decent looking, but hey, not this month. So I got to get on it. So guys, I'm just letting you see this and we'll be back when I get to start cleaning it. So right now guys, I'm just washing dishes, trying to get the dishes washed before I
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions. And it's too much sometimes, mix the potion. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions. And it's too much sometimes, mix the potion. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up
as
your
you can
mind,
see,
lay it all on
this is
the line.
clean. So I'll be back with the okay, so look how the freezer look. As I took everything out, this how the freezer look. The door, my top part. Look at that. That's how them kids let these sodas bust in here. And I keep going. So I'm about to get up in here and clean it out because that's my job, and I'll be back when I'm done. I gotta get all the way down to the bottom, and get this soda out of here. Look at that. I just want y'all to see. Look at all that. All of that. That I am cleaning. It's a job. It's a job cleaning this. Okay, guys, I'll be back when I'm done. This is the mess on the table that I have to put up, and we will be back. Excuse my son's junky room that you can see in it, but we will be back. Okay, guys, I'm done cleaning the fridge. This is how it looks now compared to before, and this is the freezer. How the freezer looked after. Clean, organized, no soda, nothing. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, give me a thumbs up, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks, and have a great day.